Welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are going to be installing this wig in about 0.2 seconds. Stick around for that. Today's hair sponsor is Ayiyi hair. It's been a minute since I've worked with them, but I have worked with them a couple times already. Their wigs are just so beautiful. Today what I have installed is a 22-inch highlight 4x4 closure wig. This is in the density 180%. It is obviously in the body wave texture.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
I did curl this wig off camera. This is what she's looking like. I'm gonna try it on first without putting any lace tint or anything on it, but I might actually apply some to see what it looks like without the lace tint on it. What is it giving? It's giving we need some lace tint. If you guys haven't picked this up yet, you should. It's by Eben. I'm going to put you on to something that I recently found. So you guys know sometimes we bleach the knots and we might over bleach it and we're not happy with how that's looking. So right now, a liquid color. Like you guys have seen me use this a lot. This is a color pen and I would use that to make my corrections, but instead this is semi-permanent hair dye. It comes pre-mixed. I have it in the color natural black. See the difference? Anywhere we over bleach, we're gonna dab some and then just go in on top of the hair. Don't want to get it on the actual lace, but if you do, I don't think it will be a huge problem. Dabbing and applying anywhere where I might have over bleached. This one didn't look too over bleached, but I wanted to show you guys that. And then what I like to do is after I've done that, I go in with some heat because that's gonna lock it in place until you wash it the next time. I've been doing that method, but not with this product. I want to go ahead and just secure it because I want it to lay extra flat. I'm going to use this. What we're not going to do is burn ourselves again. So I'm just going through any section that looks like the curl dropped too much and then I'm just recurling it. Off camera, I did bleach the knots on this unit. I had to bleach it twice because the first time did bleach pretty well, but then I noticed like right here didn't lift, so I went ahead and lifted those knots again. But as you can see, like really up close, that's what the knots look like. I normally don't get this up close for you guys. That's the difference when you have bleach knots. It really does give that scalp look and plucked look. The highlights, it's like a cool brown. It's just beautifully placed. There's some that are more chunky. I would say 180%. This is the perfect density. The 4x4 is giving what it needs to give. No baby hair is necessary. It's just a beautiful wig. Those are my final thoughts about this wig. It's really pretty. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. That is all for today. I'll catch you later. Bye.